Bird Paradise. Singapore's largest Easter celebration is back from 15 March to 20 April 2025. Kids enter free with every full paying adult. Want to play and find the Easter Egg-travaganza digital egg hunt? Download mandaiwildlife.reserve app. Additionally, keep track and count the number of 3D eggs and number of kindernations.egg too. We shall start our digital egg hunt. Simply click in and you can kickstart your digital hunt. Let's go and scan the QR code. Explore this interactive booth. It Magnific pheasant discovery. Delve into the diverse world of pheasants, partridges, and their relatives. Discover what you can do to protect them. The kids are really enjoying themselves and some knowledge at the booth. Not that all. This year, Ranger Buddies have joined the Weekend EGG expedition. Also, first ever Avian-themed Parade. Yes, we have successfully accomplished our egg digital hunt. Come visit Bird Paradise. See you there soon.